Hello, and welcome to this video about the basics on the code editor Atom. Because Atom is a very hackable code editor, meaning it can be molded to your needs, it can be easily utilized by anyone, from amateurs in the world of code editing, which is me, to those with years of experience and knowledge, so don't be intimidated. In this video, I will discuss a couple unique features of Atom, talk about some general constraints and affordances, go over the basics of opening Atom and creating a new document, demonstrate how to insert an image into your code and preview your work, and relate this code editor's relevance to the field of technical communication. Two of the most unique features of the code editor Atom are the vast selections of packages and themes. Packages include things like Atom Clock that allows you to have an extra clock on your screen to keep track of time, and Atom Beautify that helps clean up your code. Themes allow you to change the look of your code, the background, color scheme, etc., to make it easier and more fun while you are working. One constraint, however, is that not all of these packages and themes successfully work on every device. Also, it takes a lot of time to go through the packages and individually install the ones you need or want. Despite these constraints, the installation process is relatively quick and straightforward when it works. Now I will show you the basics of opening Atom and creating a new document. When you first open Atom, you will see a welcome screen. To create a new document, locate the File option in the top left-hand corner of your screen. Under File, select New File option. This will create a blank, untitled document that serves as a clean slate for your newest code editing project. To save the document as an HTML file, locate the File option again and choose Save As, which also has a shortcut of Ctrl-Shift-S on Windows and Command-Shift-S on a Mac. Name the document, making sure you add .html at the end of the name so the document can be saved and previewed as an actual HTML doc. Next, I will demonstrate a simple exercise of inserting an image into your code and previewing your work. I will start with this code I have already written for a made-up website about Chuck Norris. As you can see, the top of this page has a lot of text, and I want to break it up with an image of Chuck Norris with the web address of the image. First, start with a general coding technique for inserting images, beginning with the image tag, bracket img. Remember that images do not need closing tags, only the closed brackets. After img, you will need the source. Define the source by src equals with quotes, and insert the web address between the quotes. Next, you will need to define the width and height you want for your image. I'm going to use 200 for both. This can be done by typing width equals with quotes and height equals with quotes on your screen. Finally, name the image in the code by adding alt equals with quotes. I'm going to call this Chuck Norris portrait. Now save your document by going to File and Save. I will now show you how to preview your work in Atom. The preview option can be found by locating the Packages option in the top left bar. Then you select Markdown Preview and then Toggle Preview. Your work will be displayed in a separate panel alongside your HTML document. If your work does not show on the preview panel, make sure your work has been saved and that all quotes and closing tags have been resolved where needed. There are some jobs in the field of technical communication that specifically ask for skills in code editing, which makes it great to learn the basics of code editors. However, having a general knowledge of code editing can be helpful in working with online content. Learning these basics also help you gain skills in adapting to new technologies quickly, which often happens in our jobs. I recommend learning the basics of Atom as it is a newer code editor used by professionals and can help you be successful in your coding endeavors. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it's given you some helpful tips and gotten you excited for the world of code editing.